a gift certificate number is needed in order to pay for a reservation. The recipient would either have their number once they receive the certificate, which is this number right here, or it is possible to click View Certificate Sold in order to retrieve these numbers. You can also click on it and that will open up the certificate as well. So copy this number and then verify which reservation page is allowed to use gift certificates. Here we've enabled just the very first reservation page to use gift certificates. So let's go to that page. Make a test reservation by selecting a few dates. And now in the gift code box, we're going to type in our code and then mouse out of it or click Apply Code, and we'll see that the full amount of the certificate was used and there's a balance remaining which can be paid by the normal payment method, which in this case is a credit card. Internally, it's also easy to use a gift certificate for a reservation. We'll create a test reservation, then go to the payments section. Select gift certificate as the category, type in the code, and then click Add Payment. In this case, it shows us a warning because the certificate only has $56 credit available, so we'll type in 56. And we'll see that now the remaining amount on that gift certificate is 0 and that it was used for $56 payment.